Hey, it's V, and today is an exciting video. I pick a winner for the 2024 Christmas in July YouTube Hop hosted by scrapdivadesigns.com. I just want to say thank you to scrapdivadesigns.com as well as everyone who commented, liked, and subscribed. I appreciate you so much. One winner will be selected right now today, and you have 24 hours to respond. I want to say good luck to everyone who participated, and again, it's very much appreciated. And so I'm going to start off the giveaway now. I'm just clicking on all of the appropriate clicks that I need to click, and as soon as I hit start, we will find out who is the winner of this giveaway. Drum roll please, and the winner is Yvonne the Vincent 196. Congratulations. You have 24 hours to respond via Instagram, and if there is no response, I will choose another winner. Congratulations. For those who did not win, no worries. Another giveaway will be posted very soon, so stay tuned and keep an eye out. I will see you guys in the next video.